Hi guys, and welcome to the construction data sector. In this sector, we are going to talk about housing starts. Housing starts is one of the best indicators to interpret the business cycle, which is very sensitive to interest rates. Economists use the housing starts indicator to estimate probable consumption pattern because when people buy new homes, they tend to spend more money on other goods such as TV, refrigerators, and washing machines. Economists also use this data to predict the investment in the construction sector, which is one of the most important components of the US GDP. So let us start the section, construction data. Data and reports relating to the construction sector are a major components of the economy and play a key role in the US GDP. The housing sector has this power traditionally to stimulate the economy, like what happened after World War II. Significant change in this segment have a strong impact on the market. This segment reports classified into three major categories. First, housing starts and building permits. Second, existing home sales. And the last one, construction spending. Creating the residential units by the private sector in all aspects is sensitive for currency and stock market. In fact, the news of the building permit and selling these units can make a huge surge in the currency and stock market. As a result, traders pay a special attention to these reports. In a strong economic condition, creating around 2 million units in a year is a normal event, but the figures around or below 1 million units indicate a slowdown in the sector. Like employment and inflation reports, these indicators may be affected by various factors such as weather condition or human decision. Thus, trading only based these indicators alone not a good strategy for long-term trading. As I said previously, please focus on the whole picture. Housing starts and building permits. As the name implies, this report measures the number of residential buildings that starts in each month. Building permits are issued by authorities in order to allow excavation and foundation processes. Housing starts is one of the best indicators to interpret the business cycle, which is very sensitive to interest rates. Economists use the housing starts indicator to estimate probable consumption patterns because when people buying new homes, they tend to spend more money on other goods such as TVs, refrigerators, and etc. Economists also use this data to predict the investment in the construction sector, which is one of the most important part of US GDP. Thank you for watching this video. I see you in the next one.